Good day. I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience in TikTok and other social medias that giving me giving me advice throughout their generational wealth or their earnings or their money. I think they're very arrogant people today when it comes to social earnings, and not in the real life earnings, like through hard work and through social life, but in Facebook Meta or TikTok earnings or other source of income using by the internet or pretty niche. This is my my words for them. Some people having a difficult and hard situation, and I would say that is the one reason it is the environment. And like for the other people who gives themselves or allows themselves to listen to the advice of other people through generational wealth, that you must do this and do that, and you must affiliate marketing or do some digital works, like um what's like YouTube automations like AI, artificial intelligence, that could give you source of income. And sometimes some said that with college and um, college is nonsense, or you cannot earn millions of dollars, and in college you can earn by business and taking the risk and a lot of stuff that keeps telling or brain puts the children right now and today. So that is my perspective for that kind of person, like the internet person. And I would say that I don't indulge of that kind of mindset, and I have my own words. I have my own perspective of my hobbies, of my skills, of my works. And sometimes a lot of people is telling me that you should be that and you should be to do this guy or this guy. And I actually pretty kind of envy, a little envy, but nevertheless I am unique and I am myself. I don't compare myself to other people, and that's why um that's why that I just do the things that I can do. So if you're a person that having a difficult environment, a very complicated, and you over analyze things, you have anxiety through um, doing actions that it's very complicated. Um, it is inevitable to have pain or suffering. I think you need some inner peace. I think you need to have some time to relax, I guess, and to think clearer and to choose wisely throughout your pattern. If you're a children that you really wanted to go to college, think twice if you need to learn, if you're intelligent enough, if you have a great idea. And think also twice if you need guidance, not through people, but through people professionals, and through the people who really succeed in life. Don't follow the rules of TikToks, like the persons or the persons who have earnings like 6 digits, and person who allows themselves to motivate others, because that is not the person who really succeed in life. They only succeed in their work, and they're only sharing their life experience. And I would say people who really succeed don't have time for that. And that's the people who spend time with their families instead of giving advice to others. They give advice, but um told other people that that we that it will work. So if you're trying and if it didn't work, you try several times and you lost it again, and it's better to quit than to regret. That's all.